Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make crab broth. First, select about 2 pounds of crab shells and bodies, ensuring they are clean. Next, prepare your aromatic vegetables like 1 large onion, 2 carrots, and 3 celery stalks, roughly chopped. This initial step is crucial for building a deep, savory base for your broth. We'll then move on to sautéing these ingredients to unlock their full potential before simmering. To begin, you'll need approximately 2 pounds of crab shells and any leftover crab bodies. These provide the intense crab flavor we're after. Next, finely chop 1 large onion, 2 medium carrots, and 3 stalks of celery. These aromatics are essential for a balanced broth. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large stock pot over medium heat, preparing for the next step. Once your oil is hot, add the chopped vegetables to the pot and sauté them for about 5 to 7 minutes until they soften and become fragrant. Now, introduce the crab shells to the pot, along with 10 cups of cold water and 1 bay leaf. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Let it cook for at least 1 hour or up to 2 hours to fully develop the flavors. After simmering, carefully strain the broth through a fine mesh sieve, discarding all solids. This ensures a clear, pure crab broth. Allow the broth to cool completely before transferring it to airtight containers. It can be refrigerated for up to 4 days or frozen for several months. This versatile broth is perfect for soups, stews, and sauces. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.